Do you know how the soap we use every day is made inside a factory? In today's video, we'll take you inside a modern soap manufacturing plant and show you the complete process, from raw materials to final packaging. Make sure to watch till the end because we'll also share some interesting factory secrets you probably didn't know. To begin with, soap production starts with the preparation of raw materials. These raw materials include vegetable oils or animal fats, sodium hydroxide, water, and carefully selected fragrances and colors. Each ingredient is accurately measured and added into large stainless steel tanks. This precise measurement is very important to ensure consistent quality and safety in every soap bar. Next, all these ingredients are transferred into large industrial mixers. Here, a special chemical reaction takes place, known as saponification. During this process, oils react with chemicals and slowly transform into soap. Advanced machines continuously control the temperature, pressure, and mixing speed to make sure the soap becomes smooth, effective, and gentle on the skin. Once the soap mixture is ready, it is sent to molding machines. These machines shape the soap into different sizes and designs according to production requirements. Automated systems check the weight and shape of each soap bar to maintain uniformity and reduce waste. After molding, the soap bars are placed in drying chambers. Here, excess moisture is removed so the soap becomes hard, long-lasting, and ready for use. Samples from every batch are tested to ensure the soap meets quality and safety standards and is safe for everyday use. Finally, the soap reaches the packaging stage. Fully automated machines wrap the soap, apply labels, and pack it into boxes. This entire process is fast, hygienic, and completed without direct human contact. This is how a simple soap bar goes through a long and advanced factory process before reaching our homes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing factory and manufacturing videos. See you in the next one with Factory Secrets.